Hello and welcome to another Lansky sharpening tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to sharpen a knife using the 4-rod diamond ceramic TurnBox Knife Sharpener. This compact, easy-to-use system is perfect for at-home or on-the-go sharpening, and requires only a few strokes to keep your knives sharp. Let's dive in. The 4-rod diamond ceramic TurnBox is a 2-stage sharpening system featuring a hardwood TurnBox with storage for its 4 rods. It includes 2 diamond rods for fast sharpening and 2 ceramic rods for polishing. This setup offers 2 preset sharpening angles, 20 degree and 25 degrees. The 25 degree angle is ideal for hunting, camping, utility, and chef knives, giving a sharp and durable edge. The 20 degree angle is great for slicing, fillet, butcher, and paring knives, providing a sharper but more delicate edge that may require regular maintenance. To get started, place the TurnBox on a stable, flat surface. Begin by selecting the rods and the sharpening angle you want, either 20 degree or 25 degrees. Insert the diamond rods into the appropriate angle holes in the TurnBox. Hold the base firmly with your non-dominant hand, keeping your fingers well away from the sharpening rods. With the knife in your dominant hand, position the heel of the blade near the top of one of the rods. Keep the blade straight up and down, perpendicular to the work surface. Then, draw the blade down and towards you in a slicing motion, like slicing a thin layer off bread. Then switch to the other rod and repeat the motion. Continue alternating sides until you achieve your desired sharpness. For most blades, a few strokes per side will do. For a more durable and sharp compound bevel, use the TurnBox in 2 stages. Begin by inserting the diamond rods into the 20 degree angle holes. Follow the steps from 1 stage sharpening, but only perform 10 to 12 strokes per side to thin the blade's edge. Once you've thinned the edge, switch the diamond rods to the 25 degree angle holes and follow the same technique to sharpen and finish the edge, creating a robust, sharp bevel. For a final polish, swap out the diamond rods for the ceramic rods in the same angle setting you just used. Repeat the sharpening motion for a smooth, polished edge that's razor sharp. For the best results, keep the blade straight up and down throughout sharpening and avoid rolling the tip off of the rods, as this can dull the tip. Patience and consistent pressure will give you a fine, sharp edge. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, the Lansky Diamond Ceramic TurnBox keeps your knives sharp and ready for any task, whether you're at home or out in the field. Click the link below to purchase your own Lansky Diamond Ceramic TurnBox or find it at your favorite dealer. And don't forget to subscribe for more sharpening tips and tutorials, and remember to stay sharp, stay safe, and keep your knives an edge above the rest.